Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I have for you guys a really fun Amazon video. I love watching these videos because they are just so inspiring and you just get to see all these really cool gadgets and cool things that people pick up along their online midnight shopping. So I'm definitely a midnight shopper or like a 2 a.m. shopper, and I thought this would be a really good video for you guys to check out, whether you're watching it at a normal time or whether you're watching it at 2 a.m. and you pick up these things. I think you guys are gonna really like them. So if you guys are not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell button to get notified every time I upload, and follow me on my Instagram pages at Reesiibabe and at ReesiMUA. I share tons and tons of things, lots of content, lots of different things. So I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. Let's get right into the video. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I have quite a few things that you guys may not realize you need, and that's one of the reasons why I love these videos. I'm like, this is literally making my life so much easier. Why did I not have this in my life before? So let me tell you guys the first thing that I'm actually very excited about. So in my last video, you guys saw that I did get a Gucci belt, and one of my main ways of wearing the belt is like around my waist, and there wasn't enough holes because my waist is a little smaller than the belt. I had to go to like a shoemaker or whatever. They punch holes in like the belts and stuff like that. He didn't charge me a lot of money by any means. Like, it was like $3 and he put in like 10 holes. And I was like, wow, that's crazy. I saw the tool that he was using and I was like, this literally looks like a hole puncher. Like, I'm sure I can find something like this on Amazon. I thought it was some long, lengthy process of doing it, but it's literally a belt hole puncher. I went on to Amazon and I got myself one. And this one is a little bit, it's not as like heavy duty as his, but it freaking does the job. I was so excited. So basically what you do is you count out the spaces and see how far it is. This is what it looks like. These little spurs right here, I guess, I don't know what to call them, they have different numbers on them, and you can actually turn it to whatever it is you want, and you put the belt right in there, and then you pop it down and it just pops out the circle and you're good to go. I did not know I needed this, but it has helped me so much because I have so many belts that I was just wearing around my hips, and now I can actually rock them around my waist as well. I can make as many little holes as I want and I don't have to pay for it, so that's awesome. So the next thing is something that I'm also very excited about. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes I will be quick to like rip off a tag from an outfit that I'm gonna wear. Then I try it on and I don't like it. I don't like how it looks. I actually really don't like it and I want to return it, but I took the tags off. Some people are fine with it if you bring the tags in, other people are not. So what I got myself was a little tag attacher. So it literally comes with all the little tags, those annoying little shits, and it comes with the gun to just clip it right back into the outfit. So if I am selling things as well, I really like adding on that extra touch of adding on a tag to something. I'm working on a lot of different projects right now, and this is definitely coming in handy. Let's just say that. I don't want to give away too much, but this works so well and I'm so excited that I got this. So then next thing that I got were these hair accessories, and I got a ton. They literally came in a pack of 14. I got the silver pack as well as the gold pack, and you can't see them now, but I'll open them out. I separated them into the ones that I want and the ones that I didn't want. So I'm going to show you guys the ones that I want. This little lip one. I decided to keep this one with some stars on it. I don't know if you guys, how well you guys can see it. Maybe if I put it here. Some stars on it. I kept a moon shaped one. There's this really cute one that's a dime. I am gonna put a picture in so you guys can see them as a whole because I know it's kind of difficult to see them right now. But I have a circle and then a really pretty triangle. This is a really cute one. It's just like a moon that has these little triangles inside. I love that. So many pretty clips and I like that. So basically it's just one of these ones where you clip out the back. You open it up like so, and then you can just kind of stick it in like that, and then you have like a really nice pretty clip in your hair. I'm probably not gonna wear this one, but They're so pretty, all of them. I'm definitely going to be sharing a couple of looks with how I use them and I style them, so stay tuned for that. And then in the last video, I also mentioned these really pretty ear jackets. I'm going to show you guys how they look like. This is what it looks like. This is one of them. You just turn it like that and then you pop it in your ear. Cute. I love that. There's like really cute one. This one's like a starburst and it has like another star, but I have the stars separately. I kind of wear these as jackets and as regular earrings as well, which you can do. So it's technically like 6 pairs of earrings, which is cool. The next thing that I picked up were these Hollywood lights. They are mirror lights and they look like this. So this set in particular is a set that I have to return. These are bright white and it's only one setting on this. I wanted to get one that has multiple settings, which I did get, so I will link that one down below. But this one is like a bright white, which is not bad, but for me, because I'm filming and I'm like doing all these different things, like I need to have specific type of lighting. Other than that, if you guys are just kind of like doing your makeup, whatever, it doesn't matter to you, this one's fine. I will definitely show you guys a clip of how it looks like and the different settings. Okay. But so then the next things that I got were something that I recently found, like while of course I was browsing at 2 a.m. not on Amazon, but just on Instagram, and I found these Mofa Jang hair coloring material, and it's kind of like a hair wax. I have it in right now. I picked up the purple, I picked up gold, and the gold one makes you look like you have highlights. I tried it out for the very first time today and I kind of like it. So it just looks like this like weird putty. Get it in your hands, rub it up, and you rub it all through your hair and you just kind of scrunch it. I feel like it works well with curly hair. You really see the product, and usually people with curly hair don't really wash it out right away, so you can wear it on multiple days. What I've learned is that you cannot put heat on it and it washes out. It is water soluble, so it'll wash out after one wash of your hair. But I really like this because usually nothing shows up on my black hair, and like you can actually really see this, so I love that. I know they have the spray ones, different things like that. I find that this is really cool because I can touch it and it doesn't come off on my hands. Like there's nothing on my hands. This is a little bit waxy. It's not as waxy and sticky as I thought it would be, but it just feels like you have something that adds texture into your hair. I got the red and the white to kind of mix together to get like a rose gold color, so you might be seeing that soon. Sometimes I just have to like play with them a little bit, so I'm excited about these. I think they're about $10 each, but I got the set that was like 2 for like $18.99 or something like that. They had 2 different sets, so I got the gold and the purple together, and I got the white and the red together. So I follow this girl on Instagram, Hiliana, and she's so cool, she's so fun, she's super funny. Definitely check her out. But I saw she had on this like neon hat. It's like, I was like, girl, I need that in my life. Where did you get it from? Tell me everything. She got it on sale at Urban Outfitters, and I was just like, I hate Urban Outfitters. I didn't want to go in, and I wanted it really fast, so I looked for it on Amazon, and of course I found it. It's a bright ass lime green neon hat. I'm obsessed with it. I love pairing this with black, black and denim. Oh, so freaking cute. I love it. So this is what I got. I love it so much. I am so excited. I want to get hoodies. They have a couple of hoodies. I also want to get like an orange color in this as well, but they have this like really pretty neon green hoodie that I'm like really into, so that's definitely next on my list. I do have a bunch of stuff still sitting in my Amazon cart. I usually don't order right away. If I see something, I'll literally let my cart build up to like maybe $100 or something like that, and then I'll place an order. I don't know why, because I literally have Prime. It doesn't even matter, but I just do that. So you guys will be the first to know with my next Amazon haul, whatever it is. But this is everything I got from Amazon. If you guys have picked up anything really cool recently, let me know in the comments below. I am definitely always looking out for new things to buy and to purchase and to make my life easier, so definitely go ahead and let me know in the comments or send me a link on Instagram, whatever it is you guys want. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe and at ReesiMUA. And I will talk to you guys in another video. See ya.